Hello and welcome to the Investing Iguana, where we help you make smart decisions with your money. I'm your host, Iggy, and today we're going to talk about Airbnb, one of the most popular travel platforms in the world. Airbnb has been on a roll lately, posting record-breaking numbers for revenue, bookings, and profitability. In this video, we'll take a closer look at their latest earnings report and what it means for investors like you. We'll also share some insights on their future plans and how they're adapting to the changing travel landscape. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more investing tips and analysis. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Alright, let's get started. According to the finance results, Airbnb Inc., Airbnb, has a stock price of $105.275 as of May 12, which is a decrease of minus 5.3282% from the previous close. The market capitalization of Airbnb Inc. is $67.3186 billion as of May 12. The stock price may change over time, so you can check the latest price and news on the web search results too. Airbnb Q4 2022 and full-year financial results. Airbnb had an incredible year in 2022. They generated $8.4 billion in revenue, which was a 40% increase from 2021. They also achieved their first profitable full year on a GAAP basis, with a net income of $1.9 billion. That's impressive considering they had a net loss of $352 million in 2021. Their fourth quarter was also their best ever, with revenue of $1.9 billion and net income of $319 million. They saw strong demand from guests across all regions, especially in Europe and North America. They also added over 900,000 new listings to their platform, excluding China, bringing their total active listings to 6.6 million globally. One of the key drivers of their growth was the increase in average daily rates, ADR, which rose from $113 in 2021 to $132 in 2022. This reflects the higher value that guests place on Airbnb's unique and diverse offerings, as well as the higher costs that hosts incur due to inflation and supply chain issues. Another factor that boosted their performance was their expense discipline. They reduced their sales and marketing expenses by 15% year over year, while increasing their revenue by 40%. They also improved their gross margin by 5 percentage points from 66% in 2021 to 71% in 2022. As a result of their strong cash flow generation, they ended the year with $8.7 billion in cash and equivalents, which gives them ample liquidity and flexibility to invest in their future growth. Airbnb Q1 2023 financial results. Airbnb continued its momentum into the first quarter of 2023. They booked over 120 million nights and experiences, which was a record high for any quarter. Their revenue grew by 20% year over year to $1.8 billion, beating analysts' expectations. They also delivered their first profitable Q1 on a GAAP basis, with a net income of $117 million. Their adjusted EBITDA was $262 million, while their free cash flow was $1.6 billion. They attributed their success to several factors, including A. the resilience of their business model, which allows them to benefit from both domestic and international travel, as well as urban and rural destinations. B. the loyalty of their community, which consists of over 300 million guests and 4 million hosts who have used Airbnb at least once. C. the innovation of their product, which they constantly upgrade based on feedback from their users. In fact, just last week, they announced over 50 new features and upgrades as part of their 2023 summer release. Some of these include A. Airbnb Rooms, an all-new take on the original Airbnb concept that lets guests book private rooms in shared homes with hosts. B. Improved pricing tools that help hosts set competitive rates based on demand and seasonality. C. Transparent checkout instructions that show guests exactly what they're paying for before they book. And much more. Airbnb Rooms is a feature of Airbnb, a platform that connects travelers with hosts who offer unique and affordable accommodations around the world. Airbnb Rooms allows travelers to book private or shared rooms in homes, apartments, condos, hotels, or other types of properties. Airbnb Rooms can offer travelers a more authentic and local experience than staying in a typical hotel, as well as a chance to meet new people and enjoy the hospitality of their hosts. Airbnb Rooms can also help hosts earn extra income by renting out their spare rooms or spaces to guests. Airbnb Rooms are available in over 191 countries and come in various styles, sizes, and prices to suit different needs and preferences. These enhancements are designed to make hosting more accessible and rewarding, as well as to provide more value and choice for guests. Airbnb's outlook and opportunities. Looking ahead, Airbnb is optimistic about the future of travel and their role in it. They expect revenue to grow between 18% and 22% year-over-year in Q2 2023, reaching between $2 billion and $2.1 billion. They also have 3 strategic priorities for the rest of the year. 1. Make hosting mainstream. They want hosting on Airbnb to be as popular as traveling on Airbnb. To achieve this, they will continue to raise awareness around hosting, make it easier to get started, and provide even better tools for hosts. 2. Perfect the core service. They want people to love their service, and that means obsessing over every detail. They will keep listening to feedback from their guests and hosts, and make improvements to their platform and app. 3. Expand beyond the core. They have some big ideas for where to take Airbnb next. They will build the foundation for new products and services that will provide incremental growth for years to come. They will also increase their focus and investments in less mature international markets, where they see huge potential. Airbnb is not just a platform for booking accommodations. It's a community of passionate travelers and hosts who share a common vision of belonging anywhere. It's a movement that empowers people to live their dreams and explore the world. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about Airbnb. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Airbnb's performance and prospects. And if you're interested in investing in Airbnb or any other company, make sure you do your own research and due diligence before making any decisions. Remember, this video is not financial advice, but just my personal opinion. Thank you so much for watching the Investing Iguana. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.